Hi everyone, back with me again in this channel. On today's video, I'm going to show you how to save videos in Canva. So as you can see here, I've already opened the Canva, and here is the video that I want to save, and I'm going to show you how to save it. So first, if you already add a video into Canva, I'm going to add probably more than one video. For example, I want to add this video also, and I'm going to make it as the background first, and then I'm going to save these two video in separate each of this video. So I'm going to first save the page one video. So what you need to do is click on share and then click on download, and here please choose the file type as mp4 video because it is a video, but if you save it as gpg or png, it will save as a picture. So please make sure that you choose this and then select the page. So I'm going to only save the page one, and then click on done and click on download. Okay, and when you want to save the other videos, the page 2 video, just click on the share again and then click on download, and here the select the page 2 only. Okay, and click on download. Okay, so that's it. That is how you can save videos in Canva. I hope this video is helpful to you. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you like the video, don't forget to click the thumbs up icon, leave a comment, and also subscribe for more videos. I'll see you all in the next video. Bye bye.